In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email subscriber list to Brevo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring your contacts into Brevo safely and correctly, so you can start using them in your campaigns right away. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel. Here, find the option labeled CRM and click on it. As soon as you do that, Brevo will automatically take you into the contacts section. This is where all of your subscribers and contact lists are managed. At the top right of the contacts page, you'll see a button that says Import Contacts. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear, asking what you want to import. Choose the option for contacts, then click Continue. The page will reload, and you'll see several ways to bring your contacts in, from a file, by copy-paste, or from another tool. In this tutorial, we'll use the From a File option, which is usually best if you have a CSV or similar file from another platform. Click From a File, and the page will reload again. You'll now see a field or button prompting you to select a file. Click on that, and your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your contacts file is stored, select the correct file, and press Enter or click Open. Brevo will start uploading the file. Just give it a moment to process. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a preview of your file, showing your columns and a few sample rows. If everything looks correct, click Confirm your file to move on. Next, you'll map your data. This step tells Brevo what each column in your file represents. For each column, select the matching contact attribute, such as email, first name, last name, or any custom fields you use. You can choose from existing attributes, create new ones if needed, or decide not to import certain columns at all. Take your time here, because accurate mapping ensures your contacts are stored properly. When you're satisfied with the mapping, click Confirm Mapping. Now you'll choose where to put these contacts. Select the list you want to add them to, or pick the appropriate existing list that matches your audience. Once you've selected the right list, click Confirm your list. Finally, you'll see the settings to finalize your import. Here, review any contact management options and make sure they reflect how you want Brevo to handle these subscribers. Check the box indicating that you agree to the conditions, including compliance and permission requirements, and then click Confirm your import. Brevo will process the upload, and your subscribers will be added to your chosen list, ready for your next email campaign.